Hi there, we are OurkilO. It's our mission to realize infinite transformation of material in function and form, creating new products of value each time while preventing waste. We are experimenting in our studio in Rotterdam. Here we design and produce locally 100% recyclable modular new products using 3D printers we build ourselves. Currently, we use industrial bioplastic waste as our material. This is something we can obtain from industries in the city. In the future, we want to go further and use bioplastic from other city waste streams, such as fruit peels, dried leaves, and coffee ground. We have implemented a made-to-order system. This way, we only produce those products our clients need. Since materials and products stay within the same city, we massively cut down on transport emissions. And because we do not mix materials, we can reuse our plastic over and over, making sure no materials end up in landfills, incinerators, or in nature. We take customer agency to the next level, placing customers at the heart of our development. They decide which new products will be developed and in which city we build microfactories to produce locally, replicating the same model. They are our community. We took the first steps and built large-scale prototypes. In the coming year, we will demonstrate that our system works and launch our first product on the market. To do so, we need to set up our first microfactory. Will you join us?